Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use your gift card to your Toca World. It's a very simple thing to do. What you have to do first, open your App Store or your iPhone settings. Then from the settings menu, you select your profile icon. Then you will see a bunch of options. From there, search for redeem gift card or code. Then tap on it and tap your code Apple gift card code here and redeem it will be added to your Apple wallet account. Then what you have to do, if you purchase anything from Toca, just add your wallet with your Toca account as a payment option. If and make it a current payment option, and that's how you can use Apple gift card on Toca. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tech tips like this.